covered communication models and the barriers that can get in your way. Now let's talk about one of the most essential skills in your communication toolbox: active listening. You might think you're already a good listener, but active listening goes beyond just hearing the words. It's a skill that can transform your relationships, boost your career, and even make you a better leader. Hearing and listening. What's the difference? Let's start by clearing up a common misconception. Hearing and listening are not the same thing. Hearing is passive. It's the simple act of perceiving sound. Listening, on the other hand, is active. It requires focus, attention, and a genuine desire to understand the speaker. Active listening more than meets the ear. So what does active listening involve? Here are a few key elements. Paying full attention. Put away your phone, close your laptop, and turn your body towards the speaker. Make eye contact and show them you're fully present. The non-verbal cues. Nod your head, smile, and use non-verbal signals to show you're engaged and following along. Reflecting and paraphrasing. Repeat or summarize what you've heard to ensure you understand correctly. This also shows the speaker you're actively listening and valuing what they have to say. Asking open-ended questions. Encourage the speaker to elaborate by asking questions that cannot be answered with a simple yes or no. This helps you delve deeper and gain a richer understanding. Avoiding interruptions. Let the speaker finish their thoughts before you jump in with your own comments or questions. Empathy. Try to put yourself in the speaker's shoes. Understand their emotions and perspective, even if you do not agree with them. Why active listening matters. Active listening isn't just a nice thing to do. It's a crucial skill for success in both your personal and professional life. Here's why. Build stronger relationships. When people feel heard and understood, it creates a sense of connection and trust. Reduces misunderstandings. By clarifying and confirming what you have heard, you can avoid costly mistakes and misinterpretations. Improves problem solving. Active listening helps you gather all the relevant information and explore different perspectives, leading to better solutions. Enhance decision making. By truly understanding the need and concerns of others, you can make more informed and effective decisions. Boost your career. Active listeners are valued employees. They're seen as reliable, trustworthy, and collaborative. Strengthens leadership. Great leaders are great listeners. They know how to inspire and motivate by truly understanding their team members. Putting it into practice. Active listening takes practice, but it's a skill you can develop with effort and intention. Start by incorporating these tips into your daily conversations, both at work and in your personal life. Pay attention to how people respond when they feel truly heard. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes.